Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Farha Alam from BISP Solutions, and in this tutorial series we are basically learning about the Oracle Fusion BI Publisher data model. And in today's session we are going to take a look on creating group filters in the data model. So before we go and see how do we create the group filters in the data model, firstly we need to know about the filter. So basically filters, as the name itself tells us that filters basically allow us to filter the data or the information what we want to see. We can filter that particular information and see what data or information we want to see. We can get that particular information with the help of filters. So let's go to instance, and then we will see how do we create the filters in our data model. So firstly we have to create the data model first, and then on that particular data model we will going to apply our filter. So here right now I am in my Fusion. Right now I am on my Fusion instance homepage, and for time being I have already prepared my SQL query. This is basically the salary details query, which is going to fetch the salary details and some assignment details for the employee, which contains salary information as well. So this is the query, and then firstly I have to reach out to my BI server where I'll be able to execute this query. Let me go there first. Here is my destination. So here is my folder, and I'm going to create my data model first, and I have to provide the dataset name. I have to create the dataset. So this is my demo 1, and I am going to use the data source as HCM, and now I am going to copy my query. Let me copy it first, or I just have to so here is my query, which contains the salary ID, assignment ID, element entry ID, person ID, date from to, next salary review date, salary amount, element type ID, and whether the person or employee is a full-time equivalent or not. Let's execute this one. So here my query has been successfully executed. Then I have to click on view data in order to view the data from this one. And here is my data, as I want to see the table view as well. So I can see the tabular view as well. So here, if I talk about the annual salary information, so here we have uh, different salary amount for different employees. So if I want to apply the group filter, so let's suppose I want to see the salary detail information for only those employees whose salary is greater than 40,000. So how I will do that? So I just have to go to my data set, and then I have to go to this setting icon, and here we have an option called create group filter. We have to click on it, and here we have all the attributes available. On which attribute we want to apply our group filter, we can easily select it from here and we can apply. So I want to apply the filter on salary amount, so I just have to select the salary amount, and then I have to select the operator like is is greater than, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to, whatever operator you want to apply, you can apply it. I want to apply this one, greater than equal to, and then I have to provide the amount. Like I want to see the salary details for the employees having greater than 40,000 salary. Click on OK, and then click on view data. Select the number of rows, then click on view. Click on table view. So here we can see the salary amount greater than equal to 40,000. Will not be able to see the amount which is less than 40,000, right? So this is how we can apply the group filter. Let's suppose I want to edit it, like I want to see the salary details for only those salary amount which is equal to 40,000. So okay, I have to use double equal to sign, as single equal to is not applicable over here. So let's see. Okay, so basically 40,000, we don't have this amount available for the salary. So let's go and select this one. Click on OK. Click on view, then view. So here we can see the salary amount less than equal to 40,000. So the employees having less than equal to 40,000 salary will be able to see the information for those employees, for all those employees. Okay, so this is how we can create the group filters in the data model, and how can we apply different operators, and we can filter our data or information in the data model, and all about our today's session. If you have any query regarding it, you can reach out to us at www.bisptrainings.com or www.bispsolutions.com. We'll continue in our upcoming sessions. Thank you, everyone.